Hello, hello! Today is Friday, the last day of this week, and I like to share, of course, a message with you before the weekend starts. Um, Today, I like to talk about the 7 tips that and hints that the children gave. I already told you, read a whole letter to you that the children wrote, and today I like to just remind you as parents who are going through a divorce, remind the 7 tips from children. Because I think to remind you is important because I remember from my time that I just sometimes forget. It's not that I don't want to remember, it's just that there are so many things in my mind going on that I just forget. So that's why I think sometimes repetition is really important. And here's today and another repetition, the 7 tips from children. First, please don't let us pick sides. The second one, don't argue in front of us. The third one, don't say bad things about each other to us. This really hurts a child. Okay. The fourth, give us time to get used to the new situation. The fifth, really listen to what we say. 6, give us space, to love you both. 7, don't forget that you chose us together. Okay. I know for today it's short, but I think short is good sometimes, because I really want you to think this through and maybe even listen to it more often, so you don't forget these 7 tips from children. They are so important for them. So please remind them, please repeat them more often during the week, so that this is a gentle reminder. And that's it for today. I think that's enough. I hope you will enjoy your weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday. Okay, bye bye.